Explorers, welcome to our lesson number 3. Today we are going to learn new vocabulary related to the kitchen. Let's start with the words. The first word is blender. Blender. Let's continue with oven. Oven, great. Let's continue with microwave. Microwave, perfect. Now, refrigerator, great. The next word is stove. Stove. And the last word is toaster. Toaster. Now it's time to practice grammar. So if someone asks you, can I have a blender, please? You can say, of course. Here you go. Thank you. Don't forget to practice the vocabulary and grammar. Let your like here and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye. See you in the next video.